welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I've got a really quick website that you can use to make your own Jeopardy games. Now what's great is it can be done on your computer, but it can also be done on your iPad, and it can be played from the iPad when you're airplaying up to your television. So let me show you where the website is and how to build it and how to use it. So if you'll go onto your computer or on your iPad and go to jeopardylabs.com, when I go to this website, it's first going to let me create a Jeopardy game. When I come into this, you need to create a password that you can remember. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Password's up to you. Start building. Now, what's great is it already has all the bones for you, so it's going to be super easy to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a title, sample game, and then each of these categories I can create. So maybe this one I'm going to do capitals, and maybe this one I'm going to do water cycle. So I can go as much as I want over here, each category. If I need more rows or need more columns, I can do that. Now I'm going to come into capitals and I can type my question. What is the capital of Texas? Then I type my answer, Austin. And then I just press continue. Okay, next one. What is the capital of the USA? Washington, continue, etc., etc., etc. Water cycle, I type in my question, type in my answer, keep going, yada, 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 over and over and over. When I'm finished, I'm going to save and finish. Now, this is important. You want to touch this link, and you want to copy that link URL and save that somewhere that you can remember. So what I've done is I've just created a note called Jeopardy Game. In this note, I'm just pasting the games that I've made so that I have them for later use. So when I'm ready to use that game, all I gotta do is press the link. It's gonna open up that Jeopardy game that I built. It's gonna ask me for the password, so it's important that you made a password that you can remember. So maybe we'll pretend we have 2 teams and start. Okay, so let's see, capitals. Touch it. What is the capital of Texas? My teams raise their hand. Whoever I call on, they yell out the answer. Okay, I press either on my computer the spacebar, or the iPad has a button where I can just press spacebar. It shows me the answer, so maybe team 1 got the points, plus 100. Press either exit to continue or escape right up here. And notice that it gets rid of those numbers, so I don't have to do anything else. So now maybe one of the kids says water cycle for 100. They ask the question, spacebar, gives me the answer, dole out my points, escape to go back and can play. So this is a real quick way to make that Jeopardy game without having to do a whole lot of work. Now what's great is if I leave this game and I come back to those notes, when I go back to that game, it's going to reset. I don't have to do anything else to reset the game. And also, if I go back into that link, I can edit that, which is where you're going to need that password. So if I wanted to edit this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 was my password. When I edit that, here's the game that I had earlier, so I can add some more things if I wanted to. So super quick, easy way to make a Jeopardy game. It's free, and it's easy to organize by just keeping those URLs. Hope that was helpful.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.